What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I want to give you guys a very quick update on the markets. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And don't forget about my Weeble link. Anyways, now let's talk about the market. So, as far as the market goes, we are dipping a little bit right now, but whether or not we continue to dip depends on some factors. Okay, after the market closes today, we have Microsoft and Meta and Coinbase all announcing their earnings. Microsoft is going to be the biggest one, followed by Meta. So get ready for some high volatility. We're going to be gapping up or gapping down tomorrow during the pre-market, depending on how this ends up looking. And then during the pre-markets tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, we also have the PCE data report. This is very similar to CPI. This is some big data, so it might cause the market to gap up and gap down in another direction. So if you're holding overnight, you're going to be holding through Microsoft, Meta, and Coinbase's earnings, not to mention PCE data, because by the time we open tomorrow, all of that's going to be out. If you want to hold overnight when it comes to like options, it's your choice. I'm just here to give you guys a warning. Is SPY going to be dumping below 578 to turn more bearish or around that area? Or do we end up trying to break back above 583 to break close to all-time highs? We'll have to wait and see. So keep that in mind. For ES, are we about to dump below 58.30 to turn a lot more bearish? Are we about to break above 58.90? Could go either way. We're just range bound right now, so we'll just have to wait and see. Although Nvidia has some more bearish looking metrics, it does look a little bit weaker right now because of what happened with AMD's earnings and because of its overall trend that's losing momentum. Will we surprise and start pushing back up to 142 if we do well with earnings? Or does Nvidia kind of pop and then start dipping and continuing to lose 138 to turn more bearish? Will Bitcoin continue to dump? We're just waiting to see. It's just consolidating, so we're just going to give this some more time. Will Tesla see a big bounce and try to get back above 262? Or are we going to remain more bearish and start sinking towards 255 and to eventually lose that? That's where our demand zone happens to be. Will this demand zone fail? So we'll just have to wait and see. For NQ, we're looking a little bit more bearish. We have 20,500 as our support. If that fails, we're looking for a bigger dip. And then for the QQQ, we basically have support at 496. If that fails us, we're looking for basically 494. So there could be a little bit of a dip coming as well to the QQQ, at least from a technical standpoint. But earnings will determine if we get a big bounce or not. So it all depends on earnings and other factors like that. That matters more than technicals. Will Apple get a big rug pull as well, back down to 228, or are we about to bounce above 232? We're just going to have to wait and see. So I know this video is very concise. I'm just trying to be very blunt right now. Meta could be dumping back down to the below 580 area, or it could even be breaking past its highs at 608. Microsoft could be running back to about 445 plus or above that, or it could be dumping all the way down to below 424. So I'm expecting a 10-point move. There's going to be some high volatility, so this is your last warning. If you're holding anything overnight, be careful. You'd have to be holding through PCE and all these earnings. So get ready, guys. Do what you have to do, and I'll be back in a couple of hours to give you guys another update. I will give you guys a more in-depth update on Nvda and all the others like Meta, AMD, Tesla, etc. in my later video today and in the next couple of hours. So just be on the lookout for that. Until then, thank you for listening. Have a great day and peace out.